Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Too much. So on page 6 of Habits of a Successful Beginning Band Musician, the first thing they show you on number 19 is leapfrog. Same position, perfect fifth difference, and that happens, and you're going to find in a different video. The second thing they show you is a slur is indicated by curved line combining two or more different pitches. Fancy way of saying and that's me just playing around a little bit with that. But when you get into 20, first slur, open slur, 21, they give you the so that first one they give you F to B flat. The second one they give you F to E flat, ta da. So be careful as you're working through your slurs that you check those out. And here we go with leapfrog, number 19. Moving on now, number 20. And these are natural lip slurs, so you will use your air and embouchure, but no slide moving or tonguing needed except to start the first note of each section. All right, moving on now to 21, where we are slurring ta and da, or to and do. I often teach kids, I have a lot to do just to get that working. All right, and for 23 and 24, they show you the C standing for common time, which is the same as 4/4, and they'll be using that interchanged throughout the rest of the book whenever you are doing
the 4/4 common time, they switch back and forth. All right, lamb chops. Also, Mary had a little lamb.
All right, so the rhythm test for Jubilee, and a lot of times when I teach with kids, I do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and I hold my hands together when I do the longer notes, 2 beats or 1, 2. So here's rhythm prep for test number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Jubilee. So for Jubilee we have the same timing, but we have different pitch setups. And that's the end of page 6. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.